In Bhagavad Gita, chapter 11 to 12. Sukadeka pratistapya stiram asananatmanha nadu tritam nati nikam kailainina kusuttoram tatraika grammana kritva yata chitendriya kriya upavisya sane yunyad yogam atma vishuddhaye. To practice yoga, one should go to the secluded place and should lay kusakras on the ground and they cover it with the deer skin and soft cloth. Then seat should be neither too high nor too low, and one should be situated in the sacred place. The yogi should then sit on this very firmly, practice yoga to purify the heart by controlling the mind, senses, and activities, fixing the mind on the one point. So here, Krishna is explaining how one should practice the yoga. One should find the tirtha, or dhamma, the holy place. And holy place is like a portal, which means that when someone is descending from the spiritual platform where they descend, that becomes as a sacred place, or the place where someone achieves the spiritual perfection. So these places have special potency. When one enters into this kind of place, just by sitting down there and doing the practice, one makes the spiritual advancement. And it explains the yogi should sit down firmly. Stira sukha, like Patanjali says. There should be stability, and sukha means there should be like a mind should enter into auspicious space, which means one should sit on that way that the consciousness can turn inwards. And one should try to purify the consciousness, first controlling the mind and senses, and then fix the consciousness on one pointed way. When the consciousness is fixed on the one pointed way, when the consciousness becomes stable, it can reflect the light of the self. One can see the original consciousness, also as Chitta Sakti, as a reflection on the surface of one's subtle body, and that can trigger one move towards the self-realization. Through the self-realization, when one knows the self, through the self, one can know the Supreme, who is the source of the self, the personal form of the Supreme. Bhagavad Gita, Ki Jai.